I'm Janice. I'm a team leader and I've been working at this factory for 12 years. Altogether I've worked for Barbour for about 22 years. We were founded in the marketplace of South Shields, where they were making the wax cotton and they were making sales and that for the fishermen and everything. And we still are in South Shields, which is very important to the brand. It's nice that we've always stayed true to our North East roots. I don't think a lot of people realise that we're a fifth generation family owned company, and it's run by Dame Margaret Barbour. This is where all your fabric comes in, straight from the door, into the fabric, into the cutting room. So you've got your different lane tables, where you've got your check lining on this table, and then you've got your thorn-proof getting laid out on that table. So this is where it all gets laid out in layers to the compact of how many's in your jackets. So you could have 100 in, you could have 50 in, and they'll lie out to that consistency. We employ over 100 machinists that still do the work by hand. It's very family-based and focused. We've got a lot of sisters and mother and daughters and cousins that work in the company, and I think they've all passed it down throughout the years. I would say your sleeves and your backs are your longest process. We use various different tartan linings, which were designed by Dame Margaret Barbour and Helen Barbour. A lot of the processes and the materials have stayed the same. Sometimes you find an easier process to do it, but there is still processes that we've used years ago that we still use now. Some of the recognised parts of the jacket are the zip pulls on the zips and the check linings that go with certain jackets. And the studs, all the studs have the name on them as well, the Barbour name. This is where all your fabric is all lined up for each line and all your trolleys, and then it'll go into your storage on the ends of the lines. So this is your first process where your drip strip is put onto your front and the back of your jacket. So she'll find all the pieces that she completes to her job. This part's the important part of your jacket, where it has all your care labels on. It also has inside, got your folio, tells you your make of your jacket and what size it is. All right, Pauline. This is your hand warmer. This is all inserted on the prep section, and Pauline's going to finish it off. I think a lot of the team are proud to work at Barbour, yeah. Definitely. I think you get some pride when it goes onto the line, as you've seen, in pieces of fabric, and it comes off as a made jacket. And we all hit our targets. We're absolutely over the moon. But yeah, I think there's a lot of people that's proud. We make 2,600 jackets in a week. Each machinist makes about 25 jackets each, and it takes 36 people to make a jacket from start to finish. Right, so this is where your front pocket is attached, and it's done on a twin needle, so then that covers the lining of your pocket. So you can still see your inside lining and your flap on the top. Thanks, Jackie. This is where the inside zips put in your jacket. It's called an interactive, so that you can put a liner in your jacket. So that's your your interactive that's put in, she does both sides. So there's a bit of marking needs to be done here. So you can't just put a zip in, you've got to put one side in, then you've got to mark it off the other side to make sure that your pockets are going to come level.
Did we ask you what father means to you?
It's pride, it is, because it's such a unique jacket. Thank you.
Much appreciated.
Can I go home now? Right, cheers. Right, see you later.
I'll grab that microphone off.
Oh yes, yes, please do.